Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe. Apply it one night and turn white and gray hair to jet black naturally. This is super effective remedy and super helpful. It turns white hair and gray hair to jet black and restores the melanin production in your scalp naturally. The first ingredient we need to add to prepare this remedy is 1 teaspoon of black tea, just English breakfast black tea. Add 1 teaspoon of this, or add 1 sachet. Then add on it around 20 ml of hot water. Stir very well. Then we need 1 lemon. And lemon is high in vitamin C and will help restoring the melanin production in your scalp. Then add 1 teaspoon of baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil. Now mix very well all the ingredients. Now leave it to cool down and soak in completely, and then my friends, with an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy like so, and apply drops on your hair like that, and massage the scalp and leave it overnight, and plastic wrap or shower cap your hair, and it's going to amaze you. The result, it's super effective. Repeat this process 3 times a week to get the best results. At night before you sleep, apply it and leave it to dry out completely on your hair, and it's going to restore the hair color for you, and you're gonna get jet black hair naturally, and you will get rid of any white or gray hair naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.